Hello dear friends, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear friends, in the previous session, we had finished with the topic called as relations. In that relations, we had seen about reflexive, symmetric and transitive. And also we had completed with the exercise 1.1. And in the just previous session, we have discussed about the differences between all these three. That is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. And that topic was important for 3 marks. Now, let us start with the second half of this chapter, that is functions. So here in this chapter, in this topic functions, so before starting with the definition of the function, let us go a little bit behind of the function. How that function arrives and what is the definition of it, that we shall see later on. So first of all, let us look on little bit the basics related to this function. So now, let us take two sets, non-empty set A equal to 1, 2, 3, okay, and the set B. And the set B equal to 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let us take two non-empty sets 1, 2, 3 as well as 4, 5, 6. So now here you know how to write the A cross B, Cartesian product of these two sets. You know how to write. What are write? That is 1, 4. Okay. Then 1, 5. Then 1, 6. Similarly, what we have, that is 2, 4. Okay. 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5. And 2, 6. Similarly, you have 3, 4, okay, 3, 5 and 3, 6 also you know. Okay. These are all what? That is nothing but here Cartesian product, A cross B here. Then after this, you had learnt about the relations. Relation means what it is? Relation, it is nothing but a subset of A cross B. Okay, relation andre enagate. So here relation means it is a subset of A cross B. You can take any relation. For example, if you take here A comma B such that B equal to A plus 3, such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B and B belongs to B. So here this is in set builder form. This relation I am writing in the set builder form. That is in terms of wordings. Now in roster form, how we can write? Roster form is in terms of order pair. If I take A equal to 1, A should be the belongs to A only, set A only, 1. What is the value for B here? B means A plus 3. That means 1 plus 3 is 4. Then if I take A as 2, what we get here? 2 plus 3, 5 I will get. Then if I take A as next third one, that is 3, what I get? 3 plus 3, that is 6. Now if I take A as 4, yes, can I take A as 4 here? Why I can't take 4 here? Because the set A includes only 3 numbers 1, 2, 3 and the small letter A belongs to A and the small letter B belongs to the set B. Therefore I can't write 4, 4 plus 3, that is 7. That is totally absurd. We can't write it. Okay. This is what we have here. Okay, this is nothing but our relation. Now here, how we can define the function? This is all the thing what we had learnt. You can observe that 1, 4 we have here, 2, 5 we have here, 3, 6 it is also here. So here our relation R is a subset of A cross B. That itself is the definition of our relations. Now let us start with our main important topic, that is functions. So before going to start with the function, let us check about the definition of it. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Okay, dear friends, let A and B be two non-empty sets. Here, what we have? A and B are the two non-empty sets. Okay, then the relation F. Here, relation R I taken. The relation F from A to B, A onto B is called function. Function is also called as mapping, friends. Here, okay, if it is a very important right now. Okay, what it is? Every element of A appears as first element in the order pair under F. Now here itself we can understand here this particular example is there. What yes, this particular R I will take as F here. Okay, this particular R I am going to take it as F. F means what we have? 1, 4, then 2, 5 and then 3, 6. Okay, this is what we have. This particular thing I will write in the form of arrow diagram. 1, 2, 3, then 3, 4, 5, 6. It is nothing but our set A and the set B. It is a function from A on to B. Okay, function from A on to B. Please pay attention regarding this particular topic. It is a very, very important thing. Okay, if you want, you can rewind the videos and you can understand it. Now what we have here, now we can observe that 1 is related to what it is, 1 is related to 4, 2 is related to 5 and 3 is related to 6. Now how we can define the function here, that we shall see. Here this mapping, that is f from A to B, is said to be a function. Okay, is said to be a function if it satisfies these two conditions. What are these two conditions? Means every order pair, the first element of every order pair, that means 1, 2, 3, first element of every order pair belongs to the set A, belongs to the set A. Set A means 1, 2, 3, it is the first element. Then only we say it is a function. First condition. Second condition, what we have, no elements of A should be repeated twice. No element of A should be repeated twice. That means what we have here, no elements of A, that means 1 is there, 1 should not be repeated anywhere. Okay, 1, if it has written, means only 1 we have to write, only once we have to write, we should not repeat. Here also 2, it is not repeated, 3, it is not repeated, therefore it is a function here. Okay, pay attention one more time, that is every element of A appears as first element in the order pair under F. This particular function F here, every element, every first element of every order pair should belongs to the set A, or else all the elements of the A, all the elements of the set A should be the first element of the every order pair. First condition. Second condition means it should not be repeated. Every first element should not be repeated twice or more than that. Then if it is repeated, it is not a function. Okay, dear friends. Okay, so now please pause the video to note it down. We shall see many examples related to this function, whether it is function or not, by simple example. So till that, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear friends, now let us observe the following relation. I had written a lot of relations in terms of diagrams here, their arrow diagram. Now let us see which one is a function or not. Okay, which one is a function or not. I had written here the definition. Definition means every element of A appears as first element of the order pair, or no element of A should be repeated. Okay, no elements of A, the set A, should be repeated. I have written a lot of examples. Let us look onto the first one. Here, before starting with the example, let us see how we are writing. Here, this particular example, we are writing it as F from A to B. Okay, F from A to B. Okay, here A, B, C elements, these three elements are said to be range here. Okay, the elements 1, 2, 3 are said to be domain, and the set B itself is called as codomain here. Okay, the set B itself is called as codomain. You may have some elements also, that is, you may have the elements D also. Okay, here A, B, C, to whichever it is related here, A, B, C, these are nothing but what? Range. These are nothing but our domain. The set B itself is called as codomain. Okay, now here we sometimes we also write it as these all values are small letter A and small letter B, or else you can take small letter X here. Okay, these are all small letter X and these are all small letter Y's here. Here we can write it as Y equal to F of X. What do you mean by Y equal to F of X here? That implies A equal to F of 1 here. X is nothing but 1. Okay, then B equal to, what I can write here, B is related to which term? 1. Okay, A is related to 3 here, friends. A is related to 3. Then B is related to 1. That is F of, okay, F of 1 here. Similarly, you can write as C equal to, okay, that is Y equal to, what we have? F of 2. Y equal to F of 2. Is it clear, everyone, this part? Okay, now let us observe regarding the definition now. Okay, which one is function or not. One more thing, dear friends, these are all A, B, C, these are nothing but image. Okay, A is an image of 3, B is an image of 1, C is an image of 2. Okay, here in this example, A is an image of 2, B is an image of 3, so on. Okay, if it is a relation here, sorry, if it is a function here. Now let us take examples here. The first example, what it says, whether this part is an function or not. Now let us write down the order pair here. 1 comma what we have? B. Then we have 2 comma C. Then we have 3 comma A. 3 comma A. Only this much we have. Whether this relation is a function or not. How we can determine here? Every element of A appears as the first element of order pair. That means here among the set A, every element is related to some elements of B or not, that we have to see. Yes, every element is related. 1 to B, 2 to C, 3 to A. Every element of the set A, every element of the set A is the first element of the order pair. That is there. First condition is approved. Next, second condition. What is the second condition, dear friends? No elements of A should be repeated. That means A element should not be repeated here. Okay, that is elements of the set A. 1 is there. Is it repeated or not? No. Repeated means what here? We should not have two lines related to it. That means A should not be the image. Okay, we should have two images. Okay, one element should not have two images in the set B, because A is called image of 1, B is called image of 1. Okay, similarly. Now here we can observe that 1 is not repeated, 2 is not repeated, 3 is not repeated. Therefore, this particular example 1 is a function. It is a function. Yes, it is a function. Yes. Now let us move on with the second example. In the second example, observe here, we can observe that 1 is related to two elements, 1 comma A and 1 comma D. We have 1 comma A. While writing the order pair, 1 comma A and 1 comma D we have. That means it disapproves our first condition. What does our first condition says? Every element of A appears as first element of order pair. That is right here. Okay, every element is related to one or other things, but no element of A should be repeated. We can observe that the elements of the set A, okay, the elements of the set A is repeated here. One is 1 comma A and 1 comma D we have. Elements of the set A is repeated. No elements of A should be repeated we have. Therefore, it approves. Okay. So here what we say, it is not a function. Okay, it is not a function, not function. Or no, we can write. Is it clear, everyone? What we can give the example here? I can write it as f of 1 equal to f of 1 equal to f of, so what we have, f of 1 equal to A and f of 1 equal to B. Or else you can write in terms of order pairs. Is it clear, dear friends? Now let us move on with the third example. Third example, let us check both the condition. Both the condition means what here? Every element of A. Every element of A. But here 4 is not a pre-image of anything here. All these elements 1, A, B, C. Okay, A is an image of 3, B is an image of 1, C is an image of 2. Here 1 is a pre-image of B, 2 is an pre-image of C, and 3 is an pre-image of A. Okay, now here we can observe that here 1 comma B we have, then 2 comma A, then here we have 5 comma C. Okay, then we have 3 comma D. These are all the order pairs. Okay, order pairs of this relation R. But here we have to observe that first condition what we have, every element of A appears as first element. But here every element of A he is talking here, but here 4 is not taken here. We don't have any starting with order pair, starting with 4 we don't have. Therefore, it is not a function. Okay, is it clear, friends? It is not a function. Why it is not a function? Because we should have f of 4 equal to some values we should have. We don't have. Therefore, it is not a function. Because f of 4 value we don't have. It is not at all. With that type of order pair we don't have. Okay, next one. Now the next one, the fourth one. What do we have fourth one? But just looking onto the example, we can identify now. 1, every element, okay, first condition approved, every element we are having an image here. Okay, fine, that is right only. Now next, the second condition, no elements of A should be repeated. That means 1, only one line is there. 1 is, okay, 1 to E, 2 to F, then here 3 to F, okay, 3 to G here, 4 to F, and 5 to H here. Okay, therefore it is a function. Yes, it is a function. It agrees both the condition. Just we have to observe that both the conditions are agreed or not. Here the elements may remain here. Here I is not an image of any element in A. I is not an image of any other elements here. That is fine. But here all the elements should be pre-image of one or other elements. That is the compulsory thing which we have to look here. Now here, dear friends, you can observe here 1 comma E we can write. 1 comma E, then here 2 comma F, then here 3 comma G, okay, then 4 comma F, and next we have 4 and 5 comma H. Here the first condition says that every element of, okay, every first element of order pair should be there. That means 1 is there, 2 is there, 3, 4, 5 is there. That is a condition is approved. First condition. Second condition is no first element is repeated. We can observe that no first element of the order pair is repeated. Therefore it is an function here. Yes, what we can say, it is a function. Okay, that is the first thing. Second, now the last example, fifth example, what we have here, we can observe that here every element of A is having an image. Every element of A is having an image. Set A, that is A to 7, B to 11, C to 9, then D 11 we have. Okay, therefore it is an function. Therefore it is a function here. Yes, it is a function. That means the first condition is also approved. Every element is having an image. That on first condition. Second condition, what we have, no elements of A should be repeated. That means every element of A is having only one image, 1 to 7, B to 11, then C to 9, and then D to 11. Here it may be repeated, nothing wrong in that, but this is the value here. For example, if you write in the roster for what we have, A comma 7, then we have B comma 11, then we have C comma what we have here, C comma 7, then D comma what we have here, D comma 11. We can observe that all the first elements of A are the first element of the order pair. First thing, first condition. Second condition, what it is? Second condition means no elements of A should be repeated. No elements of the set A should be repeated. That means A not at all repeated, B also not repeated, C and D not at all repeated. Therefore it is a function. Now the last example, we shall look into the last example. What is the last example here? It is a very important. Just observe here. What is the condition now? Each and every element of the set A is having an image. First condition also approved. That means, okay, here 1 comma Z here, then 2 comma Z, 3 comma Z, and 4 comma Z. Okay, first condition is approved. That means here all the first elements, okay, all the first elements of A appears as a first element of the order pair. This definition is equivalent to saying that every element of A is having an image in B. Okay, is having an image in the set B, equivalent to saying. Now here what we have here, first condition is approved. Second condition means, what is the second condition? No elements of A should be repeated. That means here no elements of A, that means 1 is not at all repeated, 2 is not repeated, 3 is not repeated, 4 is also not repeated here. Therefore dear friends, it is also a function. Yes, it is a function. Okay, now this is all about the how. Okay, what do you mean by the function, the definition of the function? These all things you had already learnt in the first PUC. Okay, we had repeated all the things related to our first PUC, that is chapter relation of function. Now dear friends, okay, in the next session we shall start with the types of function, different types of function depending on their mapping. Here the word function, it is also called as mapping. That is f from A to B we have. That is f from A to B. Okay, that is also called as a mapping. A function map from A into B. A function map from A to B here. Okay, these all things, okay, you have to pay attention, and if you want you can repeat the videos here. Okay, please pause the video to note it down.